I'm going to do a screen replacement on an Asus. I believe it's a 15.6-inch laptop. 2 screws at the bottom. And let's grab the screen. Okay. And connectors removed. Be very careful. You will feel the connector settle in. There we go. Now, thing is, tape here, don't want to cut off, but piece of the corner that's curled up. And I'm going to get me some aluminum tape. Removing this from the backing. When removing it, always put my finger back behind it so it doesn't curl over onto itself. Right up to the piece there. Push it on, make sure your contact's in. Give it a little pull so there's a slight amount of tension on it, pulling the plug that way. And then we put the screen back. It looks pretty good. And all this cabling goes back in there. I'll do that in a minute. And to be on the safe side, I'll just let it boot up, then shut it down proper. And just follow the path. About right. There we go. Down in the pocket. That's good. Now for the bezel. It just pretty much snaps in. Could be. I bet you it's not. Or I bet you it is. Yeah. All right. Let's get these little plastic cover plates back where they belong. Get over there. And this one too, also. This should go right on. There we go. A little pressure. That's good. Now, we're going to break this baby down and clean up the fans, the grill, the radiators. So let's start with the fans. Got my fingernail on there, and a plastic pusher. That's one. And the other one, of course, is over here. Back and forth, rocket. There we go. That's good. There's stuff all over. Good to have it cleaned out. And that includes here too. There's some stuff in it. Together like that. Turn it on. Works very well. Thank you. Alright. Let's put you guys back. Push dead center. Push dead center. I could just get a brush and brush this instead of vacuum it, which I'm going to do. I'll be right back. Yes, a good brushing was more than enough. Or, if not more than, enough. Turn it on. Yep. And there you go. It's done. And as always, I hope you learned something. I didn't, because I've done this so many times before. Please subscribe. It helps. Thank you.